friends, hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to discuss one of my case study related to the EV charger installation. So this is the business for some specific location in the United States, and we are running the campaigns for EV charger installations at home. And in this month of October 2025, we have spent so far $392 of this account. We have got the 10 leads, and these are basically the quality leads that we have got so far. And the average cost we are getting $39 per lead. One of the campaign is getting the cost only $22, second one $34, but we have also ran some of the testings that didn't perform well, but and overall we have got 10 leads and $39 per lead.